problem is sine qx minus cosine qx equal 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. In this problem, we have two ways to do. The first way I want to do is I'm gonna change the left side to equal the right side, and the second way I'm gonna make the right side to equal the left side. But today I want to show to make the left side to equal the right side. I think I want to do it because I think it's more easier for me and also for you guys to understand that. And the first thing we can see x sine square x minus cosine square x is the formula. This is the difference of 2 cubes, and the formula difference of 2 cubes is a cube minus b cube equal a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. And I'm gonna apply this formula to the problem. Sine x minus and it's gonna be sine x minus cosine x all the times sine square x plus sine x cosine x plus cosine square x. And to apply the formula to this problem, that's gonna be sine x minus cosine x times sine square x plus cosine x sine x cosine x plus cosine square x. And on the right side we're gonna write it down exactly the same. It's gonna be 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. And we're gonna come back to the left side. We see sine x minus cosine x, and on the right side we have sine x minus cosine x, and they both the same. I will keep it. And I will not do anything with this. And to see over here we have sine x times cosine x, and we have the right side is sine x times cosine x. And we're gonna change. How we're gonna change to keep sine x cosine x here, and we're gonna change the rest of the things on problem gonna be the one for equal on the left side. And we know that in the trigonometry we have Pythagorean identities. Sine square theta plus cosine square theta equal 1. And we have this one, and we're gonna put it into the problem. And now we have But the first thing we have to write both of these together in the problem. We have sine x minus cosine x. Just write it again. Times sine square x plus cosine square x plus sine x cosine x equal, and just write it again, 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. And go back to the left side. We have this right here is the formula Pythagorean identity. It's gonna be equal 1, and we're gonna write the 1 right here, and the rest of things we just write it again. We have sine x minus cosine x times 1 plus sine x cosine x equal one plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. And now we can see that in both sides we have almost the same. We just gonna change this. We're gonna write it again and change it to in the front, and we have the solution, what we need to have, what the problem require we have to do. And now 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x equal 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. And that's it. That's the problem we have to do like this. And before we review the problem, before we review this problem, I want to talk a little bit about the second way. In the second way, we're gonna change the right side to the left side. It's gonna be easy to write when we have the solution, but it's hard for us to see from beginning of the problem. We gonna be equal the left side. The first thing we have to do is the 1 right here. We have to know the 1 is equal sine square x plus cosine square is the Pythagorean identity, because in the Pythagorean identities we have 3 formula. Hard to see, and we don't know which one we're gonna use. But if you know what you need to use in the problem, and you make the problem more easier. And now is the time for us to review. Now we're gonna review this problem. The problem is sine qx minus cosine qx equal 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. And we have the problem, this is the formula of difference of 2q. And we have the formula of difference of 2q is aq minus bq equal a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And we're gonna apply this formula to our problem right here. And we have sine x minus cosine x times sine square x plus sine x cosine x plus cosine square x equal 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. From this problem, we have this one and the same with on the right side, and we're gonna keep it again because we want to change the left side to equal the right side. Anything is the same, we should keep it, and we don't do any more with that. And we have sine square x plus cosine square x is the formula of Pythagorean identity. The formula of Pythagorean identity is sine square theta plus cosine square theta equal 1. And we're gonna write it again in next to each other for us easy to see. Is right here. And now we have sine x plus cosine x times sine square x plus cosine square x plus sine x cosine x equal on the right side. And you know, we just keep it and don't touch. And now we have this one, we know it to equal 1, and the 1 right here. And now we have sine x plus cosine x times 1 plus sine x cosine x equal 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. And we can see that this line, we can see they have on the right side almost the same with the left side. And we just switch both of these together, and we have the solution is 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x equal 1 plus sine x cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. And that is the one what we need to do for verify the problem. And thank you for watching. Mahalo.